Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a Grindr account. So first, go to Grindr. You can choose by typing your email or tap Facebook or Google. But for me, I will tap for sign up. Then click your birthday, your month, day, and year. Then click next. Next, create your account, your email, password, and again type your password. Then at the bottom, click create account. Then click I'm not a robot. Next, complete this verification step by select a cars. Then click verify and it's done. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.